Hello, today I'll be showcasing the Shelter Finder application. It is designed to assist homeless citizens in locating their nearest shelter quickly and easily. It is a system that promotes participants to actively apply to shelters and will allow for shelter owners to prepare, knowing how many guests will be staying each night. It can be used on any device with shelters that have signed up to the service. As you can see on this homepage, we will be implementing an account-based system for anyone to sign up to. For those signing up, a window will pop up asking for photo ID, full name, gender, contact information, and more. This data will be stored for later to help speed up the application phase of the system. When a user wishes to reserve a shelter, they should click the shelters page on our website. This page will display a list of available shelters local to the user's location. As you can see, each shelter will be identified using the name, their contact information, a brief description, and a photo where the boxes are. These will be in ascending order of distance to the user, with the closest shelter being put on the top left of the screen. Full capacity shelters for that night will be highlighted in red. When a shelter is clicked on, the user will be redirected to a page containing more detailed information of the shelter. This includes its exact location, which will be presented with an interactive map for the user, as well as the capacity the shelter has for that night. Once the user has decided on a shelter, and potentially several others, they will need to click the Apply Now tab to be taken to the application page. This will require the user to enter information relating to themselves and the shelter they wish to apply for. As you can see, they will be required to accept the terms and conditions of the application, as well as the general rules regarding each shelter. These can be found on the Rules and FAQ tab, allowing for mutual understanding between host and participants as to the etiquette of each of the shelters. When the user has filled out all these details, they will need to click the Submit button and will be taken to our submissions page, thanking them for applying and notifying them of contact options they can use to ask questions regarding the shelters. Afterwards, when they have signed into their account, they can go to the Application Status tab to browse their previous applications. When a shelter has read through the application and decided to approve or reject it, they will update the status to approved or rejected respectively. If approved, the user will be given the choice to either accept or reject the offer from the shelter. Only one shelter's application can be accepted for a specific date, so when one application has been accepted, the others will be automatically rejected. When this is done, the status will be updated to accepted, and the user will be added to the database of people staying the night at that specific shelter. The accepted applicant will be given directions to the shelter, whereas any rejected applicants will be redirected to support pages. These will inform them of issues regarding their applications and how to improve them. Thank you for watching, and we hope you support our project. More information about us can be found on our website.